The best-selling Acdc multi-process welder isn't always the best choice, and that's what most people don't realize. You see the same flashy features everywhere: digital displays, dual voltage, multi-mode welding. But once you start using them, the real differences come out. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually perform under real-world conditions. Product number 1: YESWLDER Flux 135 Pro. Let's start with the YESWLDER Flux 135 Pro, a compact 3-in-1 machine that punches above its weight. Priced under $150, it's one of the most affordable multi-process welders out there, and honestly, it surprised me. If you want a no-frills, portable welder for light fabrication or home garage projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It handles flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG, perfect for beginners who don't want to buy 3 separate machines. The 135 amp output lets you weld mild steel up to 2.5 thick, and the synergic control automatically adjusts voltage when you change wire speed. That means less guesswork, especially if you're just starting out. At just 11.4 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and it even comes with a free spool of E71TGS wire so you can weld right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the lack of true AC TIG capability. This is DC-only lift TIG, so aluminum welding isn't really an option unless you add external gear. Here's the thing though, for steel and stainless, it's more than capable, and at this price, you're getting incredible value. The build feels a bit plasticky, and the ground clamp isn't the sturdiest, but for occasional use, it holds up. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer, student, or weekend warrior working on small automotive repairs or metal art. Skip this one if you need to weld aluminum regularly or demand industrial-grade durability. For under $150, it's hard to beat for entry-level versatility. Product number 2: YESWLDER MIG205DS Pro. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But if you need more power and true aluminum capability, the YESWLDER MIG205DS Pro steps up in a big way. At $437, it's still mid-range, but it's a 5-in-1 beast: gas MIG, flux core, spool gun aluminum MIG, lift TIG, and stick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 200 amp output and dual voltage, 110V 220V, mean you can tackle thick materials and switch between home and shop power easily. The synergic mode helps beginners by auto-matching voltage to wire speed, but pros can override it manually, giving you full control. It supports 2.035 wire and works with 2LB and 10LB spools, which is great for longer jobs. Plus, it's compatible with a spool gun sold separately, so aluminum welding becomes smooth and spatter-free. Now, some users mention the weight, 36 pounds, and while it has a handle, it's not exactly easy to lug around all day. Also, the TIG function is still lift-start DC, not high-frequency, so starting arcs on thin aluminum can be tricky. Here's the thing though, for the price, the spool gun compatibility and dual voltage flexibility make this a rare find. It's not a professional TIG machine, but for hobbyists and small fabricators, it covers all the bases. This is perfect for you if you work on cars, trailers, or mixed material projects and want room to grow. Skip this one if you need precision TIG welding or plan to weld aluminum frequently without a spool gun. For under $450, it's one of the best value multi-process welders on the market. Product number 3: YESWLDER YWM160. Now, if the MIG205DS Pro felt a bit heavy or overkill, the YESWLDER YWM160 strikes a sweet spot. At $231, it's a 4-in-1 machine with 160 amps, dual voltage, and solid performance across flux core, gas MIG, stick, and lift TIG. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 160 amp output handles steel up to 1.2 thick, making it great for structural repairs, farm equipment, or DIY builds. The synergic control simplifies setup, select your wire size and thickness, and it auto-sets voltage and feed speed. But you can still tweak it manually if you know what you're doing. The LED display is bright and clear, and at 19.4 pounds, it's still portable enough for job sites. Now, some buyers noted that the included MIG torch feels a bit flimsy, and the ground clamp could be heavier duty. Also, like the others, TIG is DC only, so aluminum welding isn't ideal. Here's the thing though, for steel and stainless, it's reliable and consistent. The build quality feels sturdier than the Flux 135 Pro, and the dual voltage support means you're not stuck with one power source. This is perfect for you if you're a home fabricator, mechanic, or farmer who needs versatility without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need to cut metal or weld aluminum regularly. For under $250, it's a no-brainer for serious hobbyists. Product number 4, Everlast MTC 200 Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need cutting power too. The Everlast MTC 200 Pro is a 6-in-1 monster. MIG flux core HFTIG stick, plasma cutting, and spot welding all in one. At $514, it's pricier, but if you want to weld and cut metal without switching machines, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The plasma cutter delivers a clean 10mm cut and can sever up to 16mm under 220V, perfect for slicing through rusted bolts, exhaust systems, or scrap metal. The high-frequency TIG start is a huge upgrade over lift TIG. No contact means cleaner starts and less tungsten waste. Plus, it supports aluminum welding with the right setup. Now, some users reported that the plasma torch gets hot during extended cuts, and the machine is heavy at 44 pounds, not ideal for tight spaces. Also, the instruction manual is poorly translated, so setup can be confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get past the learning curve, the cutting ability alone justifies the cost for many users. It's like having two tools in one. This is perfect for you if you're a mechanic, metal artist, or workshop owner who needs both welding and cutting. Skip this one if you only do light repairs or hate dealing with compressed air. For under $520, it's a powerhouse with real industrial potential. Product number 5, PUW CT418 Pro. Finally, the PUW CT418 Pro, a 5-in-1 combo that includes plasma cutting, MIG, lift TIG, and stick, all in a surprisingly compact frame. At $447, it's slightly cheaper than the Everlast but still packs serious functionality. If you want cutting power without the bulk, this one's worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports dual voltage and delivers 200 amps on 220V or 130 on 110V, making it flexible for home or shop use. The plasma cutter uses high-frequency start for clean cuts on steel, stainless, and aluminum, great for maintenance or fabrication. The digital displays for TIG, MMA, and cut modes make switching between processes intuitive. Now, some buyers mention that the included TIG torch is basic, and the plasma consumables don't last as long as premium brands. Also, the spool gun isn't included. You'll need to buy it separately for aluminum MIG. Here's the thing though, for the price, the portability and feature set are impressive. It's not built for 24/7 shop use, but for mobile techs or serious DIYers, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you need cutting and welding in one portable package. Skip this one if you demand long-duty cycle performance or professional-grade TIG. For under $450, it's a versatile all-rounder with real cutting chops. So which one should you buy? The Welder Flux 135 Pro wins for budget beginners. The MIG 205DS Pro is best for aluminum and power. The YWM 160 offers the best balance, and both the Everlast and PUW bring cutting into the mix. Everlast for heavy duty, PUW for portability. No single welder does it all, but one of these will fit your shop perfectly.